Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best stainless steel cleaner is Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner. Therapy Clean uses natural coconut oil to clean, polish, and protect stainless steel surfaces. Removes streaks, smudges, and residue while leaving behind a brilliant finish that makes your appliances look like new again. Solvent-free formulation is safe for you and your family. Safe pH-neutral cleaning formula that works on stainless steel surfaces including appliances, grills, sinks, refrigerators, microwaves, stoves, range hoods, trash cans, and more. Cleans black stainless steel and leaves a protective barrier that resists fingerprints, dust, dirt, oil, and smudges. Helps keep surfaces steel looking cleaner for longer. Number 2 in our side is Magic Stainless Steel Cleaner Aerosol. This Magic Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish with Stay Clean technology makes cleaning stainless steel fast and easy by creating a transparent, protective coating to repel dirt, water, and prevent the appearance of fingerprints while leaving a streak-free shine. Magic Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Aerosol is excellent for cleaning all types of stainless steel, such as refrigerators, sinks, stoves, dishwashers, range hoods, grills, and other kitchen appliances. Magic offers multiple ways to keep your kitchen spotless. Also consider Magic's Glass Cooktop Cleaner, Granite Cleaner, and Polish Countertop Cleaner and Cabinet and Wood Cleaner. Makes cleaning stainless steel quick and easy. These streak-free formulas leave a showroom shine, plus a protective barrier to help resist fingerprints and water spots. Works great on aluminum and chrome surfaces too. Makes cleaning stainless steel quick and easy. These streak-free formulas leave a showroom shine, plus a protective barrier to help resist fingerprints and water spots. Works great on aluminum and chrome surfaces too. For details, let's watch more. Third in our best stainless steel cleaner list is Wyman Stainless Steel Cleaner. A cleaning wipe designed with a polish that protects and resists fingerprints, watermarks, and grease, while also repelling dust and dirt to keep your kitchen shining brighter and longer. Your stainless steel fridge, outdoor grill, dishwasher, washing machine, washer and dryer, microwave, cooktop, sink, faucet, and any metal or stainless steel appliance surface will effortlessly convey a streak-free, premium stain-resistant and clean look. Wyman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polishing Wipes help restaurants and commercial environments with the highest of expectations to look their very best. Wyman polishes, resists scratching, and resists staining with just a simple wipe and buff, then you're done. Restore the brilliant look of your kitchen with our line of Wyman specialty cleaning products that complement your wood floors, cooktops, granite surfaces, silverware, and more. Wyman Products is the perfect home, chef, pro, scratch-resistant, cleansing, household, professional, and at-work solution for all of your stainless steel cleaning and buffing needs. The best specialty cleaning products you will buy online or in a store. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner. The Goo Gone's line of products is a trusted brand for all of your dirty, sticky messes. Safe for you, your surfaces, and your home. Please explore our line of Goo Gone Original, Pro Power, All-Purpose, Sticker Lifter, Spray Gel, Patio, Grill, Oven, Automotive, Tile and Grout, Cleanup Wipes, Kitchen Degreasers, Paint and more. There are so many ways to remove tough messes with Goo Gone products. Specifically formulated with citrus power, Goo Gone's portfolio of products effortlessly cleans up stains and sticky messes around your entire home. From gum to grease, fabric to fiberglass, you can count on Goo Gone to safely remove almost any problem and restore your surfaces to their original condition. This super strength gel doesn't just clean, it's biodegradable, reduces smoke flare-ups, and prevents corrosion. The Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner is surface safe and is perfect for cooking grates, racks, drip panes, grill interiors and exteriors. Goo Gone works great on caked on foods, baked on deposits, carbon, and grease. You are able to use this product on stainless steel grill grates and exteriors. Keep a bottle or two handy for anything life may throw at you or your walls, floors, cars, etc. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Brillo Cameo Cleaner. Brillo Cameo aluminum and stainless steel cleaner instant polishing agents clean and polish in seconds, leaving a new luster that is long-lasting with less frequent cleaning. Non-abrasive, anti-tarnish cleaning powder effectively restores the luster of your household surfaces. Residue-free original finish helps protect against fingerprints for less frequent cleaning. In the kitchen, clean stainless steel sinks, refrigerators and oven doors, aluminum and copper pots and appliances, brass light fixtures, chrome surfaces, and tableware. In the bathroom, scrub aluminum shower doors and porcelain sinks, tubs, and counters with ease. Outside, tackle doors or doorknobs, storm windows, screens, and aluminum patio furniture.